Hey guys, it's me Kevin. Welcome to another video. Today I'm not going to be doing any reviews or something. Obviously my background is different because I'm not this way where my bed is. So today I'm going to be doing something that hasn't been requested, but I just wanted to do it. An unboxing of my, this is called the Slope. I have no idea what that says. If you know what that says, tell me in the comments. But let's get it on. So, unfortunately, I'm just going to have to cut this over here. But you'll actually see the blaster itself, so that's the best part. Oh my god, this is so stressing. Oh my god, I'm probably going to do this. That's one. There's really no. Sorry, you can't see what's happening, but I'm focusing on getting this one strap. Oh my god. It's just, I can't do this. Wait, what? Hold up, wait. There's like a box right here or something. There's like an actual tiny box. Oh, wait, I found this opening spout. Spatayote. And voila. Oh my god, this feels so fresh. I forgot that this takes batteries. So let's get the things. I squished all the darts. Look what I just found. The instruction manual. It's inside the... Okay, I read the instruction manual. This is... I'm putting all my pressures... Oh, I wrecked this box so bad. Sorry if this is going to take for like 8 hours, but I'm doing it. Here are the darts. So loads of tape. Can't believe Hasbro used tape. So here's the gun itself. I do like the mag. It's a cool 10 dart mag with the thing. I do recommend this gun from the looks because also some people notice that the Zombie Strike line. Ooh, cool darts. That the Zombie Strike line has a story. Well, this does too. So if you like stories, then you should definitely buy this gun. I like that it's clear. That's awesome. So, you know what? But it comes with 10 darts. I actually already have a 10 dart banana mag, but not the Doomlands, so it's kind of a cool advertisement. Sadly, I don't have batteries here, so I'm not going to see the gun shoot. Just one more dart? No! So that's a whole 10 darts in here? Oh my god, that's jammed so quick. Also, you can probably see the blade burst, which is cool. But here are the darts. I don't know what's different at all from the actual Doomlands darts. Black tip. I'm not focusing on the tip, but it's cool. So I hope you like this unboxing. And